if you see, some people while doing gym, okay, so definitely you also will be motivated to do best things. But if you are alone at your home and if you just do yoga, whether you know that how to do it, but you will be feeling getting bored.
No, we can also play the music, and nowadays if we have no,
it is the only
no trainer.
right?
Let me complete.
Everything is.
Let me complete.
Yeah, first listen, please.
Okay. If we want to do yoga and gym at home, so we can also learn. We can also learn by the videos. And nowadays everyone they can easily learn by the videos.
I'm not talking about learning.
No, you are saying that so we can't do
Okay,
at
leave it
home.
learn.
But if
Okay,
we will
leave
tell
this
our
content about
parents,
learning. Okay, suppose you know very well how to do yoga. Okay, so but there is much work at your home. Okay, your family keeps disturbing you. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, and as your brother, you know about him. How is he?
if we will say them that
Guys,
please don't
personal, the
disturb
personal
me.
things are not allowed in discussion.
Yes.
Okay. Just for the example, suppose your family can disturb you. Okay, and then if you deny to do their work, so what will happen?
If we will tell them that please don't disturb 1 hour, so they will not disturb you. Like that we study, on the time of study we do, so no one will disturb us. So on that time they will not disturb us, definitely.
If you're talking about the
If you will tell.
if you do the
And guys, speak something more, not only about disturbance. You are stretching that unnecessarily. We have so many things to speak about gym and yoga. It's not the main point that you guys are speaking about. Speak something else. That our body can become flexible with the help of yoga. Yes.
It is a meditation, and you can be relaxed by the yoga. But if you are going to gym, so you cannot be relaxed doing the gym.
Yeah, I've seen so many gymmers when they come back from the gym, so they look like very tired.
Stressed. They look.
Yeah.
They
If
look
you
very
do
stressed.
yoga,
They are sweating a lot.
Yes.
They sweat a
They
lot.
sweat
It's
a lot.
okay. It's okay if they sweat a lot, because
Yes.
it's very good thing if you sweat a lot. But they look very tired.
Yes.
but sometimes gym
Yeah,
They don't
gym.
look fit.
Gym. Yoga can give you the relax of mind.
Yes.
Yeah.
Relax.
At this time, in this, if the people have so many problems with them, they are living stressful life.
Yes.
Yoga can help us to overcome this problem.
Yes.
Yeah.
We can do meditation, and there are so many. And guys, why don't you speak about diseases? Yoga can cure so many diseases.
Like
Gym cannot do that.
Yes.
Actually, there are so many people, they are not aware. If they, most of the in so many conditions, most of the people they join the gym because of having the anger. They think that if they go to gym, so they will remove the anger. Okay, but it doesn't happen. If instead of joining the gym, if they go for yoga, so it will help them. It will help them as well. It happens when if they are cheated, if someone is cheated by someone else. So in that condition, a boy and most of the boys they join the gym and they think in that condition that if I will grow my muscle.
Guys, all try
I
to
will
speak,
show others
please.
him.
Ruby, you speak something about it. What do you think about flexibility?
yes, by
Do you think
yoga
that-
we get so
do-
much of flexibility.
Yes, yes, and
And by yoga we get a fight with so many diseases.
yeah, we can
Like-
fight with so many diseases. Very good. Yes.
Like undigestion food. So many people don't digest food. So by yoga they can digest. You can use the
Our digestion system can be better
Yes.
by yoga. You want to say this? Yes.
If we do yoga,
Our
our
careless
mind
also
work properly.
Yes.
If we do yoga, it is very very useful for our body.
Yeah.
and through the
For our body as well as
It
for
is
mind.
also
Because we can get peace of mind with the help of yoga.
Because everybody wants to peaceful life. Yes. So that's
Yeah.
why yoga is very
Everyone
important
wants
for us.
Everyone wants to have peaceful life.
Yes.
It is
Live,
also-
yeah, you can say.
It is also relax our mind and our body. It is very helpful for us. We do meditation for 1 hour, so we relax so much and we feel like
Relaxed.
good.
Yeah. We feel relaxed.
Yes.
And yoga we can do anywhere. We can do
How
anywhere.
can you
In
say
the
that
park,
we can do anywhere?
at home,
Yes.
in the park,
Yes.
Reason,
Anywhere means anywhere.
reason is that
at home.
for yoga we
If
don't
we
need
sit
any
at-
machine.
Yes.
You don't.
That's why people can do yoga anywhere.
If we
Any-
sit at home,
any
you
time
don't
they can do
need
yoga.
particular
But
place. Yes, yes.
Anytime
We
we
don't
can do.
need particular
But
place. Yes.
anywhere we can't do.
But
Anywhere.
if we sit idle, we can start yoga
Yeah.
at home.
We do meditation.
Even I saw some
anywhere.
people, they do yoga in train. In the
Yeah.
morning when they wake up in the train,
Yeah.
they so they do yoga in train.
They do meditation in the
And they
train.
teach many people.
And we do meditation
Because
in the
we
tuition.
don't need machines and equipments.
Yes.
But gym.
But for gym,
If you don't notice the places, if you don't notice the places that on what kind of places you are standing, and if you start doing anything, means this is called obstinacy and this is called rascality.
No,
But
If you don't know that,
meaning
but
of
the
the
things.
yoga, you know, if we suppose that if I am sitting in the bus, then on that time I just close my eyes and just feel the God. This is type of a yoga. This
Yes.
is it is also
This type of the meditation.
There is a there
If
is
we
a
are in the crowd, if we are in the crowd, if we are standing in the crowd, then on that time we can also
Yes.
there is
we
a
can
many type
also-
of
we can
yoga.
also close
We
our eyes
stand and
can
we
breathe.
take a long
We
breath.
can take
Yeah.
deep
It
breath.
is yoga.
But we cannot have the positive point of physically.
But gym don't mean
While
the
standing, you can
gym
you
don't
can
mean
feel
the
the God.
exercise
Okay, you can have
machinery.
Hmm.
But we can do the exercise and if you are in home, don't means the gym. Doing exercise in machines, you also exercise, doing also aerobics. The girls are doing aerobics. This is also come in gyms.
They do in the park.
Yes,
Yoga
exercise.
is feel like we are meeting the God. But we can get a flexibility and meditation by the yoga. But if anyone want to build up their body and they want to do much hard work,
But
they
how
want
can
to
a
go
person get
another
muscular
level.
body?
Yes.
That is trending now.
That in
It
the
can be given only by gym, not by yoga.
yoga. Yes.
People want to have muscles now. They want to have six
Exercise
packs.
also.
Six pack.
They want to have six packs. They want to have
In the
uh,
There is
good,
a side
the good muscular body.
The gym leaders also say that do exercise 2-3 hours in a daily in home. My uncle go to gyms, then they do also
He
exercise.
does exercise. He
He does exercise in a morning at the time of 5 o'clock, and they over the exercise at time of 8
guys
o'clock.
speak about shape also. Shape that the people need now. The good figure the people need now. Good muscles, good biceps. It can be given only by gym, not by yoga.
We can easily put the heavy weight by the help of
If someone
doing that.
if anyone
It
thinks
doesn't
this one
matter.
that
It
you
depends
must
on
have good
people if
muscles,
they can.
then
If we pull the 5 kg dumbbell daily, then our strength was increasing, as you know.
will increase.
Will increase.
Many asanas you can improve your strength like many asanas.
No asana. Improve our
Which
strength.
pose you can do, which pose you can improve your muscles
Yes.
like strength like
Okay,
hand
tell me,
stand.
let me know any asana that can increase the size of your biceps. Any asana.
No
We can increase
asana.
height.
Surya asana.
Only one exception
No, we can't
is
increase
there,
the
otherwise
bicep.
there is no any.
yoga is not the only form of yoga is a art of life. You can control your emotions.
Guys, can we have six packs by yoga?
No.
Exceptional cases everywhere. So one
You can-
exceptional case is there in.
You can remove your mentally disturbed.
It's not. We cannot say that exceptional because it's a need of the time.
Like that.
Now the young people, they want to have six packs. They want to have muscular body. They want to have good biceps.
Yes.
They want to have good shape of their body.
But yeah, you know what?
And that can be given only by yoga. This is not exceptional. It's trending. It's trending.
You can
There are so many exercises that we can add in.
India is a country of young people, not the old people.
like you can improve your
You know
abs.
what?
Yeah,
Ramdev.
you know what? There are so many steps of exercise in the gym. the white people do, but they don't know these kind of steps are related to yoga.